My name is Ethan Biery. I have a background in electrical engineering. I started as a design engineer with Lutron Electronics, and I represent the United States. I started with standards as a consumer of them, designing products. In the last several years, I've started to participate in the development of standards to really see how that process goes. My standards work actually started in two different groups outside the IEC, one being NEMA, which is an American consortium of standards makers, as well as JAHG, which is an international lighting consortium. My work there was recognized by a few of my peers, and they presented me with the application and said they would help sponsor me to the Young Professionals program. I think really the greatest benefit for me is understanding some of the inner workings of the IEC. I really had seen the IEC from the outside, as I said, as a consumer of standards, and it really seemed this black box. And now participating in these young professional meetings has really helped me understand how the standards gets created, the work that goes into them, and really the rationale and the decision-making process that goes into creating complex standards. Our company creates products globally and therefore is a global user of standards, and understanding better how standards are created helps us create better products. As well as participating in standards development really gives us a competitive edge in designing products. The greatest thing I learned, I think, is the amount of work that goes into creating a standard and the difficulty in making decisions in a standard, but really it's the amount of teamwork it takes, the importance of communication, and the importance of networking with others. I think what I'm going to remember most is the connections I've made and the friendships I've made with other people here, both in the young professionals and as interacting with people both in the IEC and some of the leadership positions here at the committee meetings. That's really been, I think, something that's going to stay with me for a long time. Participating in the Young Professionals program really means that you have to take the initiative. It's both initiative to apply for the program, but really, when you're here, whether as a young professional or as a standards writer, taking the initiative to ask questions, to find mentors, to find people you can work with and you're comfortable working with is really the most important skill and the most important thing you can do.